Okay. So we are going to discuss about the containment, like what is this containment, and this thing we'll see it here. Okay. Suppose I want to print my all children HTML to the parent. Okay. Then we have to use the containment process. What is this printing from child to parent? Let us see and why we are going to use this technique. Okay. Suppose what we want to do here, here we have something like this, right? Div and all these things, something. Let's create one simple class. Okay, I'm going to create some new folder here, new folder, and demo, and let me write the one more file. Okay, demo parent.js. Okay, so here I'm going to write one demo parent.js file. Let us have some simple example here. So inside this function, I'm going to write a one simple component. Okay, so everybody will understand what is this demo parent. So demo parent. So here I am writing a one demo parent component. So we are having only props. That is okay. Okay. So in the props, what are the properties I am printing here? I'm printing like a props.title and props.children. Okay, that is fine. So this property we will see. And what is this props.title means? If my parent is passing any title, I can display here. That is a simple thing. Okay. So from single function, it's like from single file, I can write any number of functions also. But whenever in the project, if it is separate, we'll create a separate file. For demo purpose, I'm going to create another function also here in the child, something like this. So this is a demo child component, something like here I'm going to create. So how many components in the same file? Two components. That is fine. Okay. Okay. Suppose whenever we want to use it in another component, so what we have to do here? We need to write a export. Okay. Default. Something like this. Okay, that's fine. And I want to pass the demo child also. Let me pass my demo child. Let me create another one. Demo child.js. Simple. So this demo child is a simple one, and here also I want to use it in export it. So export default function name, right click and format the document. So here also simple props dot text property. If my parent is property is going to send some data, and that property I'm going to display it here. That is a simple things. Okay, and if I want to display any output, then I have to add it in the where in the app component, right? Let us go to app.js. Here how usually how we are going to write our data? We'll simply write like a demo parent, and it is requiring one title property. Title is equal to demo parent, something like this. Usually we will close our HTML tag here itself, right? We will not write open bracket and close bracket. Okay, something like this. We are going to file, save all. Let us see what is the data we are going to get it here. So what is the data we are having it? A demo parent. But what about the child? The child data is not displaying, right? If you want to display the child normally, so what is the way you are going to do here? You will go to your demo parent, and here you can use like a demo child, something like this. You normally will do it parent to child. But here what I don't want to do like this, if I am hard coding here, the problem is always it will display that child only. Correct, right? Suppose I don't want to display that child, I want to display some other child, then this is not possible, right? If I'm hard coding something like this, demo child, so always what is the data it is going to print it here? Demo child only, not any other component, right? But this time I don't want to do like this. Sometime I want to display login as my child, sometime I want to display demo child as my child, something dynamically I want to add a child properties. That is the reason I'm going to remove here. Okay, so here now, but I want to display the child property here. So that is the reason we'll go to your app.js. Normally we'll write like this, right? Here we are not going to close the same. And instead of that, I'm going to write like a HTML tag, starting tag and ending tag. Okay, so far it's clear, right? Usually we'll close it here, but this time what we are trying to do, we are going to write like a HTML tag, starting tag and ending tag. So here, whatever the data you want to display child directly, like dynamically, you want to do it in the property. The property is a text property. Okay, so whatever the child you want to show as part of your parent, so that tag you are going to write like here. So that means this is a parent tag and this is a child tag for this one. Okay. File, save all. So let us see what is the data we are going to see here. Demo parent, demo child. Where is this demo child is coming from? Where, from which component it is coming? It is coming from this demo parent only. Okay, demo parent only. How this is coming dynamically? Because if you go to your parent component, there is one line we have written. Div, okay, and what is this line? Props dot children. This props dot children is the containment tag. Dynamically, whatever the tag you are writing here, like if you go to your app.js, whatever the line you are writing here in the center, this is nothing but all the child. Suppose I am writing 2 lines now. Okay, these 2 things will become as a children and it will display in the parent here. Who is causing this one? Because of demo children. So for proof, let us comment here and file save all. So now what we are going to do display, let us reload here. See, what is the line we are displaying? Only demo parent. It is not displaying any child. Okay, but you can think, right, why I am adding here, why not adding in the here? If you are adding here, you are hard coding that component here, right? But if you are not writing the like that, if you are writing props.children, and if you go to app.js, at this time, what is the component I am writing it? Demo child. Suppose I don't want demo child, I want to display as a login component. Now what I can do, I can simply write like a login and I can close it. So now who is my child? Login. I am not hard coding anything in my parent. Wherever I want to use it, I want to use it like this. Okay, using like this, what you are going to do, you can build the any dynamic data. So why data is not coming? Let us file save all. Okay, and okay, see, this child is coming, right? Okay, like this you can display any data here. Okay, suppose whichever the data you want to, other class HTML, full HTML you want to display here, then we can go for a technique called containment. So what is this technique? Containment. So for using the containment, if you want to work it, what is the main property you want to use it? Props dot children. This props dot children means whatever the data you are passing to this component in between this tag, this is nothing but a children. All the tags we are writing in the center, that is nothing but a children. This children will be replaced dynamically in the component. That this process is called a containment. Okay, so this containment we are going to use it in multiple places. Okay, whatever the children you want to do, add it dynamically, something like we'll write like a props dot children. Okay,